What is up, guys? It's Fixin' Family here, and today we're doing a restoration and repair on this Motorola Droid Z-Force. So yeah, guys, I got this Motorola Z-Force right here for $23 on eBay. I'll have the link up on the screen right now. Supposedly in the description, the seller said that the battery is dead. Now, I don't think that's the case, as I just charged it and I got power and I got life from the phone, but there's no screen whatsoever. Now, I do kind of suspect there could be some possible water damage. I hope not. But just from looking at the condition of the phone and some other stuff that I've been seeing, there could possibly be some water damage. But the good news is the phone does turn on, it does power on, and it does seem to work. So we're going to be going ahead and restoring this thing. So luckily, I'm actually kind of happy the screen's bad in a way, as it opens up from the screen. So actually, I wonder if it's still on right now. Maybe not. Anyways, let's go ahead and let's get into it. So this screen has to come off. I will still try and be as careful as I can taking the screen off, but I can be a little bit more not as cautious, as I'm pretty sure this screen is toast. Luckily, screens for this thing is pretty cheap, so we will be doing a screen replacement. And my that's nice. My blade just broke. Okay guys, we're back. I very much messed up there. Luckily this screen was already dead. This one was supposed to be opened from the back. I must have been looking at the one time that I looked at a Droid take apart tutorial. I must have looked at the other one. So now we're gonna go ahead and do it right. These two back pieces come off, then the screen will unscrew and come off. So let's go ahead and try that again. Luckily, we already knew that the screen was 99% dead. Now it's probably 100% dead, but oh well. Screens are very cheap for this thing, so we're good there. Man, this is plastic too. Wow. This whole phone's pretty much plastic. Which in a way is good because it makes stuff a little bit easier. But at the same time, wow. Alright, there we go. Just like that, we're good to go. So let's go ahead and let's get these screws out. Oh, those ones were loose. Or, not loose. Pretty tightly in there. The other guys were not. This is also some type of special Torx bit. This is a T3 Torx. Alright, so now we should just be able to... There we go. Push it out. It's actually pretty nice. That would have made for a way easier screen removal if I did this from the first time. That's what happens when you experiment with brand new devices. Or not brand new, but devices I've never worked on before. But thankfully the screen was already dead. Or well, it should be. Now it definitely is. Alright, there we go. Now we're in. So we're gonna have to figure out how to unplug this battery first, and then we'll go from there. Oh, okay. Well, I was right. Come on, focus. There is some corrosion in there. Come on, camera. That's not wanting to focus. You guys can kind of see it. Yikes, though. That's definitely some bad corrosion. This definitely had some water damage here. Almost also seems like it kind of burnt, too. Yikes. That's not a good sign. Let's go ahead and let's figure out how to unplug this battery. Alright guys, we're back. So I had to switch out the whole motherboard on this phone as I couldn't really get it to work properly. I bought a whole new parts phone, 20 bucks, and it works perfectly. This motherboard I will try and get more into. There is some water damage here and there, so I do want to try and fix it. But for now, to finish this video off, we are going to go ahead and go from this motherboard right here, as this one works perfectly and I have this one on hand. So let's go ahead and let's get started. I do have a brand new screen, as this black screen right here that came off of the phone isn't actually very good. It has a bunch of water damage. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's get started with that. So first thing we need to do, we need to put the battery back down in its place. There we go. Went ahead and threw some double-sided tape on here. This tape is very strong, and since I don't have back battery strips, I'm just going to use these. I'm keeping this phone anyways. It's going to be for my personal collection, so I'm not really concerned about it, but I will still try and do everything as professional as possible. Alright, there we go. So the next step is going to be putting the screen on, then we're going to move to the back. Let's test everything first. There we go. Alright, put my code in. The vibration motor is still a bit wonky, so I'm going to look at that real quick. After I look at that, we'll go ahead and close up the phone. Alright guys, we went ahead and fixed that, so we can go ahead and seal this down. Alright guys, we're back. I forgot to put adhesive on this. So we're going to put adhesive on it so the screen will stay down properly. Alright, there we go. Adhesive's on. Now let's go ahead and put all the screws back. Alright, there we go. Now we're going to let the screen sit for a bit, let the adhesive set, and then we'll come back after that. Alright, we're back. We've given it a little bit of time now. Not a super lot of time, but worst case, I'll just put the rubber bands back on again. I just want to get this video finished up. Alright. Then we go ahead and do the peel. Alright, and just like that, we're done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I am so close to 2,000 subscribers, and hopefully by the time I post this video I will have 2,000 subscribers. Thank you very much to everybody if I do. I really appreciate it. It means a whole lot to me. Quick thing I want to say, I'm sorry this video was a little bit lower quality than all my other videos. I ended up selling my camera phone, so I had to use one of my backup phones, so that's why the quality is a little worse. That's the way it's going to be for a couple of the next videos until I get a new camera phone. So yeah guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.